The 5th annual Wetland Adventure that's hosted by the Texas Freshwater Fisheries Center and the Texas Parks and Wildlife. Stephen F. Austin, in conjunction with these two state agencies, offer a program for 4th through 8th grade students to be able to come out and see the importance of wetlands. This is an opportunity to motivate kids to want to learn. This is done by actually engaging the kids in their own learning process. It becomes much more relevant when you're talking about wetlands to do your lessons at a wetland rather than to read it out of a textbook or to watch it on a video in the classroom. The kids seem to retain the information longer. That's one of the importance for my prospective teachers to see. It reinforces that this is the way that they should be teaching.
I liked the fact that it gave us a chance to really get out and get with the kids and have the hands-on experience we've been learning about through our 4 years here at SFA. And it was really good to do active learning, and not only were the kids actively learning, but we were as well.
I like whenever you got to make the ropes. It's fun. You get to learn a lot of things about fish and stuff.
It's interactive for them. I mean, they get to see obviously the natural habitat, and it also gets them out of the classroom, which is what they like.
They're able to come out here and use this facility and learn about how to do field trips, how to teach science in the field, about using community resources, and so that's a really valuable tool for them to take into a classroom when they get there.
Oh, it's a great resource if you're, teaching science. Obviously, you can learn about wetlands here, but you can also learn about conservation type things and why we have this sort of center. And it's a good resource if I needed to get more printing materials, more posters, or some current research or statistics. Not only could we visit here, but I could call up here, and they're always really glad to help.
We change our stations up each year, and this year our emphasis is on wetland plants, in particular the cattails. The other stations, we try to point out what the importance of wetlands are to migratory birds. The other station is bass and quick frozen critter. These are from the Aquatic Wild, which is a nationally recognized curriculum. The last station we do is called the Wetland Jeopardy Board, and this is a way that we can assess what the kids have learned in the other 3 stations.
We want them to be out here in this educational setting, but if they're not having fun doing the things that we have out here for them, it won't last as long for them.
It was fun.
What'd you learn?
How animals live.
Okay.
And migrations. We love fishing!
And making ropes.
Oh yeah.
These are awesome.
All right, roll it.
Oh yes.
What do you got? Go ahead.